Hi, welcome to the food
Food
tour
tour.
series of our vlog. And we are here now in Rathausplatz. The city hall is the seat of government and administration in Vienna. It is open to citizens and guests, for example, for events, information, and guided tours. As you can see here, there's a lot of car which is latest model of electro cars. So they are like electric cars, the latest model that has been built by these companies. Also an electric motorcycle, a free concert for everyone, food truck. So we are here for this food here to try the best of their food trucks food. At the moment, people are still waiting for other people and for the event to start, like the concert. Right now, there's not enough people here, so I'm still waiting here for my family and we will start our food vlog. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and leave your comments, and we will see you on the next video. Right now, we are going to eat some food.
Ragu, guro, and pizza. Yes.
Thank you. You're welcome, man. Yeah, and we are going to try some food from. This is the first food that we are going to try here. This one is like a balls, but they have some
Something
meat,
inside.
something
Yeah.
inside meat, like different flavors,
Yes.
like from the ragu, and pizza, and
Ano pa ba yung isa?
some, I don't know, but the name is. I will put on the.
Link.
You will see here
Yeah.
that we are about to try his food, and he's so kind, and he give us some free
Yes.
food,
Sweet.
some sweets. So
Yes.
I think there are some potato inside,
I
right?
think it is potato.
Oh, this is.
What is that?
Okay, let's go ahead and try this food now because we are hungry.
Yes.
And
We're gonna
here
try
in the
some.
Rathausplatz, there is today is a Elektro Tage, so Electro Days, Electric Days, or something like that in German. In English is yeah, it's a electric day, something like that.
Yes.
And there are some free concerts here, and there's a lot of food trucks right here. I didn't expect that there's a lot of people coming here right now. They are from Ukraine, and they are shouting for peace.
Look.
Yeah, look at this food now.
They're just shouting for peace
What
because
is
about
this
the
one?
war.
This looks like
It's something. It has meat inside.
meat inside. Let's go ahead and try.
Yes. Definitely, we should try this. This looks so yummy. I think it has tomato inside.
What is inside here?
Tomato and basil
Yeah,
and mozzarella
some green peas, right?
and green peas. Yes.
Yeah, and it's very crispy.
Mm-hmm.
And
Very
it's crispy and soft in the inside.
So let's try the second bowl.
I like that one. See right there.
Yeah. Oh, this is the mozzarella.
Look at that.
I think this is the pizza.
Yes, ma.
This is the pizza.
Okay, I see.
Smells so good. Look, the cheese. Very good.
Wow. It tastes very good. I can hear making noise in my teeth.
Also good.
What is inside there?
It is tomato
Mm-hmm.
and mozzarella cheese.
Some mozzarella cheese and tomatoes. Okay.
I think this is the pizza.
It tastes like pizza. Yeah. Usually the pizza they use tomato sauce.
But this one is different because they make a ball and they put it inside a ball.
Yeah, this is a deep fry process. It was cooked in oil.
It's very good. Here's another one. You know, we can also take.
You can take it at home.
And here's another. Open. Sesame. What is this? Look at that.
Wow.
Papa?
Yeah. And if you buy three pieces of them, it's the price is 10 euros.
Pero sulit. Mabubusog ka na. Ito. Natin yung meat. Yung giniling.
Yan.
Napaka-crispy.
Maririnig nyo may background music pa tayo. We have a background music. There's a concert right here, but we don't know the band.
Wonderful.
It actually tastes nice. It's a very European taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, meron pa nga, there is also there, and they are offering Hungarian fries. So it's like, what's the difference? Huh? Oh, one down.
There's some balls right here. I think this has sugar or coconut something like. And we are going to have a bite.
At least, I think that is mango. He's offering
Yeah,
mango,
Right.
vanilla.
mango. See inside here. It's a yellow thing right there. I think that is the mango flavor.
What is this?
Right. Yeah. Definitely there is sugar here because it's sweet. And the sugar is like,
But,
it's not that sweet. It's very good. This is very, very good. It's like a dessert or something. The guy offered it for free.
it's very nice. Shout out to you.
Shout out to him. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Yeah.
Let's go back right here and buy something.
the burger. My cheeseburger, classic burger. Bacon cheeseburger. Не острый.
We have a lot of choices right here. This is the name of here. This food truck is the Burgery.
The burger.
Yeah. So how many menus do they have? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will just buy one burger, and so definitely two because of this kid, or just a fries, right?
He wants bacon cheeseburger.
You want bacon cheeseburger? Okay.
No veggies.
Nah, you cannot. You can say that.
So what do you like to try?
I don't know what.
So what we have here, guys, this is what you call pommes here in Austria, Vienna, Austria, and this is actually a fries, a potato fries with some ketchup on top. Yeah, it's normal. They put some salt here, and definitely the fries has still some skin. They did not peel off the skin of the potato, so it will taste much better. It's not the same like the other
Rice.
fries like you see normally in McDonald's and whatever, Jollibee. If you are living in the Philippines, you know what I mean. And this is the burger that they had. The burger is around €7.90. So overall we have paid around €11. Yeah, €11 something. So let's try this burger, guys. Look at this burger. If you can see those orangey sauce and some lettuce right here, and the patty is big enough to fill my stomach. Let's have a first bite. I like the bun of this hamburger. This is the classic burger. And it has some tomatoes inside. I don't know if you can see it. The meat is very, very tender. Oh. This is a good burger, guys. If you are living here in Vienna, you should visit them. They have a food truck. I think they go everywhere here in Vienna, wherever there's an event. Last time we saw them in somewhere in Maria Hilferstrasse, beside the cinema. It's called a Hayden Kino. No. It's very good. I like it. It has a very simple taste. I can taste the pure of the beef, the pureness of the beef here, and the sauce is very delicious, guys.
They also put caramelized onions.
Yeah.
That makes it more tasty. Tama pa siya.
Yeah. This is we are looking for some food, but it's very difficult to have access in the other food trucks because there's a lot of people out there listening to the music, watching the concert, and it's very hard to get into other food trucks. So we have to find a way to, maybe we should go turn around, go to the other side, and we will try to get other food right here, like a local food here in Vienna, Austria. Yeah, we will see you guys later. Hello, so this is where we end our food tour series. So we only have like few foods because due to
Too crowded.
too much crowd and we don't have access to
Yeah.
other food trucks because there's a lot of people right there and it smells a lot. People have been drinking alcohol and I don't know what else. And but thank you so much guys for watching and for supporting these videos. And as the people are right here, the Ukrainians are shouting for peace and the war here in Europe between Russia and Ukraine.
Life will win. Like hashtag stand with Ukraine.
Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to
And
the
leave the
next
comment.
videos. Yeah, we would like to know your opinion guys
Yeah.
and
Exactly.
we would like to read your comments. See you in the next video.
Bye.